Android 14 CarPlay Auto Car Radio is a cutting-edge multimedia player designed for Volkswagen Passat B6 B7cc Magotan, 2007 to 2015. Featuring a new interface, this navigation GPS system offers a seamless and intuitive experience, combining powerful hardware with smart connectivity options. With an 8-core dual CPU and an impressive 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, it delivers smooth performance, quick response times, and efficient multitasking. The QLED display boasts a 2000 by 1200 resolution, ensuring crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The 48 EQ DSP enhances audio quality, providing rich, immersive sound for an enjoyable in-car entertainment experience. Supporting 4G and Wi-Fi, it allows users to stay connected on the go, access online apps, and stream content effortlessly. The 360-degree function is an optional upgrade, adding advanced camera support for enhanced safety and parking assistance. Equipped with CarPlay and Android Auto, this unit enables seamless smartphone integration for navigation, calls, messaging, and music playback. The built-in speaker and microphone ensure crystal-clear communication, while Bluetooth 5.0 enhances wireless connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Additionally, it supports steering wheel controls, allowing drivers to manage functions without distraction. With CAN bus compatibility, the device seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's system for optimized performance and enhanced features. Supporting 3G and 4G networks, it provides flexible connectivity options, making it an ideal upgrade for Volkswagen owners seeking modern infotainment and navigation solutions. Available on Aliexpress, this Android 14 car radio combines innovation, power, and convenience in one sleek package.